Hi, David Sartagamar. I want to show you this laptop right here, and I want to show you something really particular about this laptop, which I think it's a little bit annoying. On the annoying side is that the fan is really loud. When the fan turns on this laptop, this is a Dell. I want to show you what kind of laptop this is. This is a Dell 1520. It's one of those stupid laptops. It's one of those dumb laptops with a loud fan in it. So, yeah. These fans are very skinny and they're very loud too. You can hear that. They're very loud when I stop it here. And here's the CPU setup right here. It's like an HP setup. It's just like the HP setup. This is my RAM. It did not come with RAM when I first got this laptop. And, yeah, it's a weird... Listen to how loud the fan is. It's real loud. And this is the issue with these laptops because the fan is really loud in these laptops. I don't like it. And please leave in the comments, is this normal for this fan to be this loud? If it is, please let me know. Bye. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I want to hit 100 subscribers. And peace. Have a good night. Bye.